Have you been looking for a simple, lazy way to make money online in 2023, but don't know where to start? You'd be happy to know that all you need is to have a mobile device and some apps to work on. The most amazing thing about earning online using your phone is that you don't have to invest any money. All you have to do is download the apps that I'll show you and do nothing and collect your earnings. All you need to do is to watch this step-by-step tutorial through the end. Now let's get started. Our first app is called HoneyGain. HoneyGain is the first ever app that allows users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. You can earn money simply by sharing your internet. If you have a stable internet connection, then you could start earning a good sum of money today. Some of you might be having some concerns about your privacy. You don't have to worry about that because this app makes sure your internet is only used by trusted partners. Another plus point about using this app is that it never asks you for access to your drive storage, so it doesn't have any kind of security danger at all. And you can access the web without having to worry about restrictions based on your location. The steps you have to follow are to download this app, then run the app. After that, it will gather bits and pieces of information and give internet access to the users and the businesses. Our next app is called the Cash Magnet app. It is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. Accumulation of points takes place every 5 minutes. The longer your program will work on your phone, the more money you will receive. This app pays you every minute doing nothing. You don't have to do anything. You don't even need to watch ads or play games. Earnings will come passively. You can sleep, play games, go to the gym, or do whatever you want. This app even guarantees that after a few months of using it and earning money, you'll be able to purchase a new smartphone. You can redeem your points at any time for PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, Steam gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. They have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You can withdraw your money when you make only $1. And the cool thing is most users can easily earn enough points to redeem for 2 days, but it depends on how much time your Cash Magnet will work. They have a referral program also. There is a 2-level referral system in their project. You receive 5% of the earnings for the person you invited, and 5% of the earnings for the person whom your referral invited. This app is completely free, and your personal information and preferences will not be shared without your consent. Now let's move on to the next app, which is called Current.us. You can earn money on this app by playing music. All you have to do now is put some music on. You can make money by running, sleeping, or doing any other task. You won't get bored with the app because they have thousands of songs or radio stations to select from, and you'll be able to earn points for listening to their app. You will have the ability to convert them though to begin earning. The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. They are constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. Points can be spent in various ways: gift cards to your favorite services, physical products and electronics, and donations to select charities. With every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you are consuming. And we want to reward them for their contributions. Now simply scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you do that, you will see a menu is available. You must choose a country and provide your phone number to send you the apps, so that you can start earning money right away. Overall, the apps provided can help you earn money while doing nothing. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to quickly make money and build your own passive income stream. Our next app is called MoneySums app. This is a free Android app that automatically enables you to make money online by receiving SMS generated by their system and their customers. This app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. To download their app, you must first go to their website. After download, install this amazing app on your phone. You will automatically earn money online by getting SMS created by their clients. The good thing about this app is that if you delete the text immediately after getting them, you will still earn money. There is no work, no social media platform, and no affiliate marketing is required. All you need to do is receive the text daily. The amount of money you make from SMS isn't huge, but is a passive income stream. The only thing you have to do in this app is download it, sign up for it, and wait for messages. Then you will get paid money by receiving SMS. It complies with the most recent privacy policy regulations, so you don't have to be concerned about security. Our next app is called GiftPlay, which can be found at giftplay.io. This app simply pays you to play games. They pay you to play free mobile games, earn money, and earn rewards and gift cards. The good thing about this app is that you don't have to play a game for a certain amount of time before getting paid. You can earn money for every minute you spend playing the game. The more time you play, the more money you will certainly obtain. It's also a lot more enjoyable than doing surveys or other ways that are time-consuming to complete and don't pay well. This app makes it possible to create money and earn gift cards by playing the game with no purchase required and no paying to win. So this is completely free to use. You don't have to pay anything for this app. You get paid in coins, which you can then redeem for money. They also have other means for you to get paid by referring people. You can either try it out with some of your friends and family or talk about how great it is in various money online groups. This will allow you to earn more money without much effort, which is wonderful. This app will pay you through PayPal, and you can redeem your coins for a PayPal cashed out or a wide range of gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, and so much more. So you can actually choose among gift cards and people, which is amazing. There is a large selection of games to pick from. You can play whatever game you like and collect coins. On their homepage, you can see how this will look on your phone, which looks wonderful. If you go to the Google Play website, then you can see the actual review of this app. As you can see, the majority of people gave it a 5-star rating. Our next app is called missplay.com. They will pay you to play games. You're not going to be able to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day, but just for playing games, even a few extra dollars would be nice. And that is possible here. They have an app version as well, so that you can do this on your smartphone or tablet if you want to. Missplay inspires loyalty by continuously rewarding mobile players as they deeply engage in your game. The longer a user plays a game, the more loyalty points they receive, which they can exchange for various rewards in their shop. Missplay is designed to give gamers the familiar feel of navigating through curated content. They build personalized game lists for each user and organize them by genre. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.